Welcome back to another 90 Seconds of Aviation. This helicopter is capable of lifting a passenger airliner. It was originally used for missile transport. An airliner has to make a sharp turn before landing in Paro, Bhutan. Parachutists jump into Nayland Stadium to kick off a match. This glider crashed on landing because the pilot struggled to maintain airspeed and hence stalled the plane.
Somehow contact him and get permission for him to allow you to go out of there.
Luckily, the pilot was uninjured. Before landing in LaGuardia Airport, the plane flew over Manhattan. It looks great, doesn't it? Glider takes off from a mountain using only gravity to launch itself. And that's it for today. As always, all the sources will be linked in the description below.